Hi, welcome to the Fairfield Inn and Suites, Santa Maria, the only Marriott property in the town of Santa Maria, California. The Fairfield Inn and Suites Santa Maria has 63 rooms and 32 suites, and was built in 2009. The property underwent renovations in 2017 to update the flooring, public areas, and add bigger TVs and artwork to the rooms. This is the lobby. The front desk is on the left behind the column. On the left side of the lobby is the corner market, which sells drinks, frozen treats, and basic medication. On the right side of the lobby is the business center, which has 2 desktops, a printer, and newspapers. Beyond the lobby is the breakfast area, which, as the placard reads, serves complimentary breakfast for 3 hours every morning. This is the seating area. The best seats are along the left wall as they have outlets for charging. Breakfast includes oatmeal, fruit, waffles, scrambled eggs. The breakfast meat changes daily. Today is pork sausage. There is also bagels, bread, muffins, juice, cereal, yogurt, and milk. A few steps from the food counter is a coffee, tea, and chilled water counter, and these are available 24 hours a day. Down the hallway from the breakfast area is the gym, which has the essentials: a rack of dumbbells, a bench, 2 treadmills, and an elliptical. Next door is the indoor pool and jacuzzi. Outside is a small patio area. There is a laundry room with a couple of coin-operated machines, useful for those with longer stays. This is a 1 king standard room. Through the door on the left is the bathroom. Shower, toilet, sink, and an interesting wall-mounted hair dryer. There is a large mirror in the hallway. The main area has the bed, an armchair, workstation, and TV. There is a microwave and mini fridge to the left of the work desk, very convenient. On the way out we can see the closet area. This is the junior suite. The bathroom is identical to that of the standard room. In the junior suite, the microwave, coffee maker, and mini fridge are in this nook near the bathroom. There is a more dedicated living room area with a couch, armchair, work desk, and TV. Beyond the living room is the bedroom area, which has another TV, the bed, and closet. This is the 2-room suite. The bathroom is the same as the prior rooms. The microwave, coffee maker, and mini fridge are in a nook just like in the junior suite. Down the hallway on the right is a true bedroom with a TV, bed, and closet. At the end of the hallway is the living room. The 2-room suite has the same furniture as the junior suite, but the 2-room suite's living room is far more spacious. There is one notable quirk about the property, and that is its parking situation. You cannot access the parking lot from the main street. Instead, you must turn onto Romer Way, which is easy to miss because it does not have a traffic light. Then you must turn onto Romer Court to access the parking lot. Another thing I want to point out, all the staff were very friendly and helpful. And a special thanks to Phillip for allowing me to film various room types. Okay, that is all for the tour of the Fairfield Inn and Suites Santa Maria. Thanks for joining.